Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Clubman bonnet. First, you'll need to locate the interior release lever. This lever is usually found in the footwell area, either on the driver's or passenger's side, often marked with a small car icon with an open bonnet. Once you find it, give it a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the primary latch releases. After pulling the interior lever, head to the front of your Mini Clubman. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand underneath the front edge of the bonnet, usually around the center or slightly to one side, often near the Mini badge. You'll be looking for a small, secondary safety lever or catch that prevents the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly. Once you've located the secondary safety lever, you'll need to either push it to one side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific Mini Clubman model. This action will fully disengage the safety latch, allowing the bonnet to be lifted completely. Take care to operate this mechanism gently but firmly to avoid any damage. You should feel the bonnet become free to move upwards. With both latches released, you can now lift the bonnet fully open. Many Mini Clubman models have a support rod to keep the bonnet safely in the raised position. Locate this rod, which is typically attached to the underside of the bonnet or within the engine bay. Extend the rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot or hole to secure the bonnet while you work. This ensures stability and safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.